गोवन वार्ता लाईव्हच्या यूट्यूब चॅनलला सबस्क्राईब करा आणि बेल आयकॉन दाबून लेटेस्ट व्हिडिओचं नोटिफिकेशन मिळवा.
Speaker sir, ANEP policy care मागा जाण जावपा जाय आमकां गोंयांत कितलो फायदो.
To be. Minister.
Speaker sir, to a question asked whether South Western Railway officials or any Goa government department has demarcated or marked on ground the land to be acquired for the project of doubling of South Western Railway track, the answer given is no. The site inspection was conducted, but the demarcation report has not been prepared. Speaker sir, may I ask the Honourable Minister for Revenue the date on which this inspection was conducted and the authority that conducted the said inspection.
Speaker sir, the site inspection was conducted between 15th of September 2019 to 10th October 2019.
Speaker sir, I am told that the report has not been prepared. So may I ask the Honourable Minister for Revenue, what was the purpose of conducting this site inspection?
Speaker sir, the demarcation which was supposed to be done was, the report was not prepared because our department was only assisting the SWR to conduct the surveys. But the
Speaker sir, but as per the answer, the demarcation was not done. But
No, there was
obviously, if the demarcation is not done, what was the goal or the aim of this site inspection? Because at the end of the site inspection, no report has also been prepared.
Speaker sir, like I said, the inspection was conducted, okay, and the demarcation notices were invited. See, let me just go from the beginning. Initially, there was notices that were issued to the affected people, okay, and if there was any dispute in the survey numbers or the demarcation, only then. So, no, the state was only providing use-based support to the SWR. So that is the reason the demarcation report was not prepared, but the site inspection was conducted.
But what was done during the site inspection? If the demarcation was not done and the following report was also not written, I wonder what purpose was really achieved through this site inspection. Nevertheless, Speaker sir, may I go to my next question? To a question asked whether land acquisition under Railway Act 1989 has received the Goa Cabinet's approval, the answer given is that since the acquisition is notified by the central government, the question of approval of Goa State Cabinet does not arise. Speaker sir, may I ask the Honourable Minister for Revenue whether the Goa state government has no say in developmental works within the state, especially when the national project is detrimental to the welfare of the people of the state.
Speaker sir, the government has not issued any directions to the concerned authorities to use the Railway Act for land acquisition. However, when it's a central government project, there is no need for cabinet approval once it's a central government project.
Speaker sir, land for the project is being acquired under the Railway Act 1989. I have a copy of the letter dated 16th February 2018, written by Shri A.K. Gupta, General Manager of South Western Railway, to Shri Dharmendra Sharma, the then Chief Secretary, Government of Goa, wherein under point 2 of his letter, he states, let me quote the verbatim from the letter. Acquisition of land under the Railway Act would require joint measurements, JMC, to be conducted involving railway representative, state revenue authorities, as well as the land owners. Speaker, sir, this proves that what has been done is not per the Railway Act. So I would like to ask the Honorable Minister, when the Act says that if land is to be acquired under the Railway Act, there are certain joint measures to be followed, which involves the railway representative, the state revenue authorities, and the landowners.
Yes.
But none of these have been followed.
Yes, madam, that has been done. And for people to raise their objections, the hearings are already on.
George, see, you have to also indicate to the people the land that is going to be acquired.
Yes, madam, so they were informed about it. It was published in the daily newspaper.
No. Okay. All right, that's your answer. I'll come to my next question. Speaker, sir, whenever development is planned, land is the greatest requirement. This land on which the infrastructure is planned could be government land or it could be private land. With reference to doubling of the South-Western Railway track from Kulin to Vasco in South Goa, major part of the land for the project is private land. In this context, will the Honorable Minister for Revenue inform this August House whether a study giving details like proximity of the second track to the adjacent houses along the alignment and the impact due to raising of the ground level to lay the second track along certain stretches of the alignment, has it been done? Is the Honorable Minister for Revenue even aware that along the alignment there are many stretches where the land has to be raised? The land has been previously raised to lay the first track, and now the land is going to be raised to lay the second track. What is the government doing about this? Are the owners and the residents of the houses aware that this land is going to be further raised and it's going to be excuse me, please allow me to ask the question. I'm not talking to you. Now, has the government given any inkling to the residents of these houses how and how much will the land be raised? I mean, are the residents of these houses the citizens of Goa? Are they the citizens of this country?
Question. Madam, 1 second, I'll answer your
Yes.
first question, where you said the majority of the land is private. So I have the breakdown over here. The total land proposed is 152.259 hectares, okay, where most of it...
Okay, that's
Oh, yeah,
fine.
yeah, yeah.
I'm talking
Sorry.
about private land because in my constituency, Kortaling constituency, most of the land that is going to be taken over is private land.
Speaker, sir, in this diversion of forest land is 138.3916 hectares, which makes up 91% of the land which is needed for doubling. Transfer of government land is 1.7138 hectares, which is 1%. And acquisition and procurement of private land is 12.1536 hectares, which is 8%.
Speaker, sir, the main essence of my question is not about the quantum of land that is going to be acquired. The essence of my question is whether the residents of these houses along the alignment have been informed about what is going to be their plight should the second track become a
Question hour is
reality.
over. Question hour is over. Zero hour mention.
No, sir, this is not fair. Let the Honorable Minister answer
Question hour
my
is
question.
over. Question hour is over. Over.
No. No,
Question
please
is over.
extend the time, sir.
How
Please
can I
extend the time.
Question is over.
Half an hour discussion on
Sir,
this issue.
my question has not been answered. Usually you allow questions to go on beyond the
Never,
time.
never.
No, you do allow, sir.
That
I
never.
know. I've been
After-
present in this house.
After 12:30, it's not possible. 0 hour mention.
Half an hour discussion on this. We'll ask half an hour.
Yes, sir. Allow me. Sir, I happen to be the representative of the people of Kortalim constituency and I owe them this answer. So I request the Honorable Minister for Revenue to please answer the question.
Question hour is over. Question hour is over. 0 hour mention.
Half
Just
an hour
decide.
discussion. Half an hour discussion.
Because, sir, obviously there are no answers to my questions.
Why are you asking?
Half an hour discussion is required on this.
Let the member ask to the government. Let the member ask to the government. 0 hour mention.
I mean, we have raised the question.
0 hour mention. Vijay Sardesai. 0 hour mention.
10 hour discussion.
Sir, ours is a democratic government, Speaker, sir. People
0 hour mention.
People have to know what is awaiting for them. And this is one way the people will know what is awaiting for them. It's easy for us to...
Churchill,
Half an hour discussion.
0 hour mention, please.
Half an hour discussion.
Sardesai.
Speaker, sir.
Half an hour discussion is
Nothing is
required,
allowed.
Speaker, sir.
No allowed.
It is very important issue.
Not allowed. 0 hour mention. You put the questions. You can speak on the demands. Why you are asking 0 hour after
Half an hour
discussion?
discussion on this issue.
Why you are asking?
सर
Speaker,
मोशन आसा साहेबाचेर
Speaker, sir.
Speaker sir,
मोशन आसा
Speaker sir,
Half an hour
the
discussion.
state government is acting as a
10 hour
puppet,
discussion is emergency.
puppet of the central government and sacrificing local interests.
Please go to the seat. Please go to the seat. Please go to the seat. Yeah.
We want
See, there are
half an
13
hour
days.
discussion.
There are 13 working
On this
days.
question,
Wait, no.
we
There are 30 working days. There are 13 working days. House is adjourned for 15 minutes.